Our final topic for Genki Lesson 8 is nanika and nanimo, something and nothing. The Japanese word for something is nanika, and the Japanese word for nothing is nanimo. Nanimo must be used with the negative versions of verbs. Both words are used in places where the particles wa, ga, and o are expected, but in these contexts, they're used on their own. Both words are used without particles following them. So let's look at an example here. As you'll see in each instance, there will be a short sentence describing a picture up above. Note that wherever nanika and nanimo are used, they are taking over, essentially kicking out the word that was previously there and whatever particle was previously attached to it. Let's take a look at the first sentence here. The sentence, neko ga nanika motte kimashita. In English, we'll translate that as, the cat has brought something. But let's say when the cat came running up, you recognized it was a fish in its mouth. You would instead say, neko ga sakana o motte kimashita. What's key here again is these two sentences are identical except for the words that are highlighted with the different colors. Nanika, something in Japanese, and sakana o. If you, when the cat came running up, recognized that it was a fish in its mouth, you would say, neko ga sakana o motte kimashita yo. The cat brought a fish. But if you weren't sure, fish was badly mangled, whatever the case is, you would say nanika instead. But again, what's key here is that you are removing this particle. We don't use the particle o, or again, wa or ga, with the word nanika or nanimo. Let's take a look at another example and kind of keep in line with this questioning about our pet cat here. Cat's laying on the floor. Maybe he doesn't look so well. A little like listless, no energy. You could ask the question, neko wa nanika tabemashita ka? Did the cat eat something? Maybe something that disagreed with its stomach? Here again to note, nanika in this sentence is taking the place of, well, the fact if you knew that he had eaten some fish, sakana o tabemashita. Again, the pinkish part here, sakana o, was kicked out and replaced by the word nanika. So nanika has a good deal of power in sentences and always removes both the noun that normally would come in its place and the particle that follows it. For our last example, let's imagine someone asked us this question. Neko wa nanika tabemashita ka? Did the cat eat something? To answer, if you knew that he didn't eat anything, you'd use the negative here, nanimo, for nothing, and say, iie, neko wa nanimo tabemasen deshita. No, the cat didn't eat anything. The key point again here is that the word that would normally come there, that is to say, sakana o, is replaced by the word nanimo. All right, let's get a little practice with nanika and nanimo, mainly with nanimo. All right, so for this exercise, we're going to imagine you went to a party. Party ni ikimashita ga. I went to a party, but what, the party wasn't a very good party, apparently. So we'll say that you didn't do anything at the party when presented with a couple of different examples. As always, I'll ask you to pause while you think of how to say that, how to phrase that in Japanese, and to unpause to check your answer and see if you were able to phrase it correctly. Here we go. Party ni ikimashita ga. I went to a party, but I didn't drink. So in Japanese, how would you say, I didn't drink anything, using nanimo? Pause the video here. Party ni ikimashita ga nanimo nomimasen deshita. Karaoke ga arimashita ga. There was karaoke, but I didn't sing anything. Pause the video here. Karaoke ga arimashita ga nanimo utaimasen deshita. Terebi ga arimashita ga. There was a TV, but I didn't watch anything. Pause the video here. Terebi ga arimashita ga nanimo mimasen deshita. Kamera o motte ikimashita ga. I brought a camera, but I didn't take anything. Pause the video here. カメラを持って行きましたが、何も撮りませんでした。ユミさんに会いましたが、I met Yumi, but I didn't say anything. Pause the video here. ユミさんに会いましたが、何も言いませんでした。パーティーに行きましたが、I went to a party, but I didn't do anything. Pause the video here. パーティーに行きましたが、何もしませんでした。And finally, パーティーに行きましたが、I went to a party, but I didn't eat anything. Pause the video here. パーティーに行きましたが、何も食べませんでした。That concludes our look at nanika and nanimo, the final grammar point in Lesson 8 in Genki. 皆さん、頑張ってね。